It's 6:57 a.m. Can't believe I forgot how to do an intro. I feel it looks like a crime scene up in here. Like that's what my morning looks like. Let's see if we can get this. I think I figured out my camera mode where I can start messing with this stuff, my brightness and such. But I think I also mess with a lot of other things which I don't want to mess with. Like this. Okay, so if we can make it so that we can see in here. Perfect. Today's challenge is to find breakfast. So I figured out some manual functions of the camera. It's a little bright out there, so we drop down that. Change the focus. Change the focus. Interesting. What? Alright, I'm gonna go peep, and then we'll go have fun with this manual camera mode. Which is kind of like cheating. This is a lot more work than just doing the automatic mode. This is not the automatic mode. This is the automatic mode. It's a lot better. I'm going to stick to this. I'm going to stick with what I know. Switch over when it's dark. But now I know how to use it, so that's cool. Alright, so today we decided to go with some Subway. Gotta make healthier choices in my life. Those people were staring at me. And you gotta make those changes. It's gonna cost more, but shit, man, when you get to be over 20, man, your body does not like you anymore. Your body starts to not have an active system. Most of it's because you're not as active anymore. Usually you have a car, you have a job, you have money to take the bus. You're no longer walking around. Your time is valuable at that point, and so you need to get around quicker, and that means that you need to stop doing exercise and you need to start taking transportation, which then makes it that you only walk once in a while. And then you get a desk job, or you get a job that doesn't require standing. You get real jobs, real jobs that require you to stand around, or sit around and stand around, not walk around anywhere. So being an active lifestyle is kind of hard when you get older. I've experienced it, and I'm trying to change that, I guess. I need to make habits, and vlogging and forcing myself to do these habits is a good way for me to actually enforce me doing it. So today is a start, I guess, is a start. And one of the starts is eating Subway instead of Jack in the Box, I guess. I was about to go to Jack in the Box, by the way, until I saw Subway on the corner, which is behind us. Or there. That's Subway, if you can tell. There's a mic, but it's Subway way back there. You'll never tell. Anyway, that's Subway. So I'm gonna eat and skate. So let's see how that goes. So back there was like 4 police cars, and it's a little weird. Don't know what they're here for, but we're just gonna eat. And so commence the time lapse, yay! Throwing away the trash because it's the right thing to do. We will lightly close that, and then we will skateboard on my cruiser. There's people over there. Cars are loud here. Over by the docks appears the berths. This is where commercial trucks and stuff end up coming to unload trucks. And right now, this parking lot is one of the most popular parking lots for kids to learn how to drive in. It's also a really good place to skate because asphalt's pretty smooth. There's a concrete thing over there with a nice little like curb that's waxed. But it's just overall a nice little like park that you're allowed to skate in. There's no shoes in that box. Why do I have it? What the hell? Give me back my trunk. Fuck. There's not even shoelaces in here. Oh my god. Okay, this box is for these shoes. It's been that long since I cleaned this out. Huh. Update, camera's dying, gotta go home, gotta recharge. Skate session's cool. It was about like, I don't know, like an hour long. Yeah, just about an hour long. I did some cool stuff, learned I could do sit-ups with my car. I have to bring cardboard with me from now on so I don't have to lay on the ground like I did. But anyway, it was all fun. I liked it. It was a good sesh. I gotta stop saying sesh. I should just say the full word. I'm an adult. But anyway, it was cool. We're gonna go home, recharge the battery, get some packages ready for shipping. Or maybe just go ship the packages while it's charging. I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty much today's day 2. If I go out and do anything with my father for work and collect money for the work I did, then cool. If not, cool too. Not really. I don't know. I'm in a pretty weird place in my life at the moment where I'm really hopeful for the future. And I'm kind of content at the moment. Some people would say this is how people feel when they're about to die. I shouldn't joke about death. There's a cop that was like sitting right there and watching me for a while. And I was just wondering like, what the fuck are you doing? So I just sat and stared at him for, I'd say a good minute and a half, 2 minutes. And then he left. He drove away real quick too. But yeah, that's the morning. See you in the afternoon, probably.